Good day, it is Stephen Davids here. In this video I will try to troubleshoot some problems with the Yamaha Electone b805. The problem at this moment in time with this instrument is that the top keys do not work. The top keys do not work. There also appears to be some of these rhythms and arpeggios do not work. So I really hope it's not a big problem. Since these arpeggios do not work in the sound, I get a funny feeling that there's a board system here that's not working, or something central. There's something central, but let us start with the fuses and see what's going on. The excess of the fuses here at the back. Here are a few screws that will need to be removed, and then the fuse, apparently the fuse box are here located close to where the power cord is entering the organ. We of course start by switching off the plug and disconnecting the plug from the socket. I opened the rear of the machine and everything looks fine to me. I read that the fuse box is supposed to be here. It's not here, so maybe it's up there. I've done a visual inspection of all these connectors and lines and cables. Everything looks fine to me. There's no visually anything that is burnt, discolored, although there's a little bit of dust. Also, that I must not necessarily try to jump in with a vacuum cleaner because there may be small parts which I cannot see. Yeah, I'll just take a loose brush and clean it. But everything looks fine visually. That doesn't mean maybe some of these connectors needs cleaning because of all this long time that it exists. But there's a thing, don't fix it if it's not broken. So why must I try to fix a thing that's at this moment working? I just gently clean it here with a broom, most of the dust out, and then I'll just close it up again. I'll now proceed to remove this top lid to get access to the electronics here inside. And to do that, you just have to remove this screw here on the one left-hand side, as well as the screw here on the right-hand side. Here it is. In order to expose the electronics here, you simply remove this lid. Just move it forward as you will usually close it, and there the electronics are exposed. It's not necessarily first to look at the other keys. We first just want to see what's going on here. This side, the other one on the right hand side, and then all you do is then you just pull it back, lift it up there, and then sort of fold it out of the way without necessarily needing to remove this strap here. Just put it out of the way for the meantime. I did put a longer piece of plank there, a wood, down under this cover, so that this cover is more out of the way. And of course, given the dust and everything, if everything looks fine, of course I cannot look inside these electronic parts which may be defective, or these plugs. I'm just doing a visual inspection at this moment in time. If you look here at the sides, if you take this piece of paper and you push it here in, you will see there's no real screws on that side. And you'll also see here on the side, if you push through there, there's no screws. So the only screws that I can see there is one that is there. And then there's another one there, so maybe we'll have to loosen that. But in any case, I see the stop part. The only thing you have to do, the stop part is a little bit loose, and you can just lift it up, I see. Sort of rotate. At this moment in time, I'm not going to take the stop part off and to let it lift up higher. I just want to see there. My wife is putting that there. There you can see here on this right hand side. Here are the three fuses. 1, 2, 3. I will now check it and see what's going on there. Because I first want to check the fuses. On the right hand side of the keyboard, after you open the top, you lift this up. If you lift up this section, you find the fuses there on the right hand side, just above the second keyboard sets. I tested the 3 fuses. All 3 fuses are working, so it may be something else, one of the circuit boards, and then it becomes a little bit expensive because the parts are old, not easily replaceable. You do not find it, and all these things plus labor cost, so then I'll have to consider everything, but I'll maybe just ask the opinion of a professional. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.